Hi Summer. So in this video we are going to discuss example 2 for subtopic 3.2. So for part A, calculate the resistance per unit length of a nichrome wire of radius 0.321 millimeter, and then given the resistivity is 150 times 10 power of negative 8. Okay, so for part A it asking for R per L. Okay, sebab dia nak resistance per unit length. Okay, what is that? And then if a potential difference is 10 is maintained across 1 meter length, what is the current? So for part B, it's asking for current. Okay, so we start with part A first. Okay, so kalau kita nak cari resistance, okay, sebenarnya kita ada dua equation. Either you use Ohm's law, V equals to IR, ataupun lagi satu R equals to rho L per A. Kan? Ada dua equation yang ada R. Okay, but for this equation, it gives us the radius. So means we have to find out the value of area. And you have to know that the shapes of a wire is a cylinder. So to find the area, just this part. So the equation we just use A equals to pi r squared because we have the circle for the face. Okay, so then kita cari A equals to pi r squared. Okay, don't forget to convert the radius into meters. So pi equals to 0.321 times 10 power of negative 3 squared. Then you will get the value for area is 3.24 times 10 power of negative 7 meters squared. Okay, once you're done, find out the area and then moving on to find out the resistance per unit length. Okay, we rewrite the equation R equals to rho L per A. Okay, and then since the question asking for R over L, then we rearrange the equations and R over L equals to. Okay, so we just substitute the value for rho since it gives us here. This is actually the value for rho. So 150 times 10 power of negative 8, you divide with your area that you have calculated above times 10 power of negative 7, and then don't be lazy and press your calculator, and then you will get 4.63 ohms per meter. Okay, so done for part A. Now we move to part B. If a potential difference is 10, maintained across 1 meter length of nichrome, what is the current? Okay, tadi kita cari nilai R. R per L. Sekarang dia dah bagi nilai L tu. Okay, so we can just take R per L equals to 4.63 ohms per meter. And then to find out the R, since it gives us the value for length, which is 1 meter. And then you just multiply 4.63 times with 1. And then you just simply get 4.63 ohms. Okay, then once you get the value for resistance, then you can use equation Ohm's law. V equals to IR. Then given the value for voltage is 10, and just leave I and then plug in the value for R, which is 4.63. Ambil calculator and then you can calculate. Then you will get 2.16 amperes. Very easy. Okay, so we're done for both parts, and then good luck guys. Thank you.